Hello, Reset here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your RoobinHood Wallet app on your phone. First thing that you have to do is go up to the Play Store, go up to the search bar, right there, find your RoobinHood app, RoobinHood. We got our RoobinHood app, and check if you have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version, you should have everything like me. But if the update is available, maybe you just need to update, and after this everything should be cool. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go up to the settings here, go up to the apps, see all the apps, wallet, we got our wallet, permissions, and allow them all like here, right there. After this, go up to the Wi-Fi data usage and unrestricted mobile data usage on. After this, also should be cool, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you how to fix it last way. So go back to the Play Store, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, there shouldn't be more any issues with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.